Creating a chatbot involves several steps, including defining the purpose and functionality of the chatbot. This includes determining the specific tasks the chatbot will perform, such as answering FAQs, providing customer service, or guiding users through a process. Choosing a platform. There are several chatbot building platforms available, such as Dialogflow, Botkit, and ManyChat. Each platform has its own set of features and capabilities, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your chatbot's purpose and functionality. Designing the conversational flow. This involves creating a flowchart of the different paths the conversation can take, including what the chatbot will say and what options the user will have. Developing the chatbot. This step involves using the chosen platform to build the chatbot, including the creation of intents, entities, and responses. Intents are the actions the chatbot will perform in response to user input, entities are the specific information the chatbot will extract from user input, and responses are the messages the chatbot will send to the user. Testing and training the chatbot. Once the chatbot is built, it's important to test it to ensure it functions as intended and to train it using real-world conversations to improve its accuracy. Deploying the chatbot. This step involves making the chatbot available to users, which can be done through a variety of channels such as a website, mobile app, or messaging platform. Monitoring and maintenance. Once the chatbot is live, it's important to monitor its performance and make changes as necessary to improve its functionality and accuracy over time. Keep in mind that creating a chatbot is a complex process that requires a combination of technical and design skills, so it may be helpful to work with a team of experts or use a service that provides chatbot development.